didn't expect that to happen. And there were the floating beach.
Vizag is developing like daily, you know.
It's developing so fast.
Yeah, and this is the first time for me to see this. Look at this floating bridge. Wow, because the airport is just behind, you know. We're still exploring the city, Vizag. Beautiful, beautiful city. Look at it. Oh my God. Wagwan, everyone, pick up yourself, your boy here.
Bamba Club. Welcome back again, man.
As you can see, this is my senior, my brother, my star, you know.
Yeah, thank you so much.
He's one of my my favorite YouTuber here in India.
Thank
is
you.
Gabs Gabi. He's
Yeah.
from South Sudan,
South
right?
Sudan, that is Africa, guys.
Yeah, that's Africa. So today he's here in Vizag.
Yeah.
We're gonna explore the city, Vizag downtown. Big up yourself. Me, I'm Malik. Welcome to Malik's Eyes again for a new video.
Yes, guys.
This is not like a regular day, you know. We're gonna show you many things here, as you can see.
This is gonna be lead vlog, guys. Make sure to keep watching.
Yep.
Before everything, first hit that thing. Okay?
Sure. Subscribe
like
to
the
the
video.
channel, like the video, watch till the
Today
end.
you are going to see the beauty, how amazing is Vizag, guys.
Yeah.
We are going to explore Vizag, like especially the beach road.
Yeah,
We're in
the beach road.
guys.
Yes.
Yeah. So it's nice feeling like it's our first time meeting. Like I'm also staying in Andhra, but from Kakinada it's
Yeah.
like 3 to 4 hours journey. Different between me and him.
Yep.
So we made it. We are going to share and show love to Andhra people, Telugu people.
Sure.
Andarki namaskaram.
Let's
Peru
start.
Gabs Gabi.
Let's start the video.
Hello, bros.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Very good.
I didn't tell me your address, YouTube address.
Yeah, I will show you.
Oh,
Are
Yeah.
you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording, but no problem.
What's up, guys?
Good, and you?
I'm good. Where are you from? I'm from South Sudan.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You don't look like South Sudan. You look like Sudanese, actual Sudanese.
Like half that way.
Yeah, me
Yeah.
same too. I'm mixed race. My mom is Jewish and my father is Ethiopian.
Okay, so you're Ethiopian.
Half Ethiopian, half Jew.
Oh, that's nice.
So they tell
You have your phone here? Okay.
I
I'll
don't
show
have. Oh, just
you. Gaps, how do you feel to be here in Vizag? I
I
think this
just
is
feel good, man.
this is not the first time to be here, right?
It's not the first time, but this place has changed a lot, man.
Ah, yeah, it has.
Even now, I'm seeing the floating beach.
Vizag is developing like daily, you know.
It's developing so fast.
Yeah, and this is the first time for me to see this. Look at this floating bridge. Can we go and can we walk on this floating bridge? Oh my God,
So we just came down to the beach.
it's a really beautiful place, man. So while walking, guys, we have been here around and we have seen this thing, the floating bridge. They have introduced this floating bridge. I don't know if anyone knows what is this bridge, if we can walk on it or something like that. Just tell us. But this is very unique. You know, it's my first time to see a floating bridge. You know, let's go close and and we're gonna see it. You know, and it's really innovating. Look at it. Wow. But I think it can be dangerous to go like to walk on it and look at the beautiful. Oh my God! Look at the boats there. Wow! And there is a lot of this thing called. Today there is a lot of water here. I don't want to be on the water. You know. Let's continue exploring because this thing caught our attention here. So yeah, those guys are filming us.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, if you are near to the wave, it will give so much
Oh,
noise.
noise. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah,
Guys, we are still exploring the city. This is Indigo, I think. Wow, because the airport is just behind. You know, we're still exploring the city, Vizag. Beautiful city. Look at it. Oh my God. Whoa, I can get a nice thumbnail from this hotel. This is Novotel just right here. You know, look at those beautiful houses. And Gab is here talking with those guys, you know.
Yo guys, we are still enjoying, man, the city of destiny. This is destiny, guys. How do you think about this? Is this not destiny? This hotel can be your destiny hotel. Yeah.
Me, I'm telling myself every day, before going back home.
Okay.
At least I'll come here to sleep at least one night.
One day before leaving Vizag, I will sacrifice my money guys, at least to experience the rich life, guys.
Yeah,
Because this is one of the biggest and famous like five-star hotel,
yeah,
and we never been inside it, guys.
yeah.
We are just imagining how things will look here. And also this in this side also there is one amazing thing, guys. I don't know is it a hotel or not,
Uh,
but we can't see. We don't know the place, guys.
yeah, but it's very beautiful.
So now we are going to explore. We are going from the beach road. We are going inside road, guys.
Yeah,
Inside city. We want to see if the city really looks similar, all developed,
yeah,
and the infrastructure and everything, guys.
yeah.
So we are still exploring.
All right,
Yeah, let's do it. So far, like, stay tuned.
stay tuned. So there's a nice
Hi, how are you? How are you? How is everything? Job good? Okay, enjoy. Wonderful.
here they have like a cinema, restaurant.
Yeah.
It's really beautiful, you know. At night, oh wow, that
Yeah,
is
this side.
yeah inside the hotel just
Okay.
yeah inside the hotel. And he was talking about this place.
Wait,
Look at
wait,
it.
wait, okay. I was
Oh,
talking about this place,
it's
guys.
a hotel.
See behind us. See how amazing it is.
Yeah,
It's nice, right?
yeah. It is.
No, we don't need hotel. We're exploring India. Okay? Your name, sir? Santosh.
Santosh.
Meet Santosh. You're from? Andhra only.
Only Andhra.
Only
How do you feel about this place?
Place is okay.
Ah, this place okay, very okay, huh? You happy? Very happy. You happy? I am happy. Only like that. Okay? Enjoy. Walk is good. Enjoy. Panda good. Bye.
You know what?
This road going there? That's right.
No.
No road?
Oh,
We are
Okay.
going.
We are going beach.
Which is this one?
No. Going.
from inside.
Another road is there.
No. Another road for long distance.
Oh,
Okay.
so that's
This one
big
straight
bike.
beach road and the street is 32 kilometers.
Okay.
Only beach road.
Okay, sir. Okay, Santosh. Thank you.
Thank you.
So actually, guys, we wanted to show you the inside view, the infrastructure of the city. But actually, we came with the bike, right? So we parked our bike that side. So if
and
we
when
use this
see-
road, then it's gonna be stressful for us. So we are going back from the beach road only, guys.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, from the beach road.
Because if we go this way only, I think it will take us somewhere, right?
Yeah, somewhere else.
Yeah,
And
it will
it,
take
it's
us
kind of
somewhere.
far.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's little bit far, but let's enjoy the beach road, guys. No problem.
And as you have more experience with Indians here, when I was watching you like with those guys talking on your channel, you can check that video out. I found like Indians people are really kind
Yeah.
because most of them I can say like that.
Ah.
Yeah, most of them are kind. They're
Yeah, you know, guys, just recently while we were vlogging, wow, see just the city from behind, man. Wow, super, man. You know, while we were vlogging recently, we met some local people, guys,
yeah.
and they were just like we didn't expect like that to happen, and they were so friendly, and the communication became more even friendly as if we came together, right?
Yeah.
So we spoke a lot, and we shared a lot about their opinion on the city, their opinion on the government, and so many stuff about India and specifically Andhra, guys.
Yes.
Go and check that video out, guys. So we are now exploring the beach road, and we are going also to share our experience as African or foreign student in India.
Yeah.
So stay tuned, and we'll tell you everything. How is our life in India, our studies, and everything. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Let's continue to move
Yeah,
around.
let's continue, guys.
You know. Kailasagiri 5.6 kilometer. Oh,
Okay.
yeah, this place is really amazing. Just behind the architecture is very good. This one, that's perfect.
I think in Andhra, I want to know the most developed city, guys. Tell us. For me, I can say Vizag
Yeah.
because I've been to Vijayawada. I want to know, guys, which is the most developed city in Andhra. Tell us. Bro.
Tell us in the
Yeah, tell us, right?
in the comment section. You know.
Yeah. Now let's tell them about our life in India.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.